I personally love graham cracker crust and I love easy recipes, and this pumpkin pie recipe combines both. It's pretty pantry friendly. Most of the ingredients you can keep right in the cupboard, and then you can have a pumpkin pie at a moment's notice. Just combine your pumpkin, sweetened condensed milk, some pumpkin pie spice, salt, and vanilla. Then I like to add in some melted butter and eggs, and that's it. Your filling is done. And that's all you need to make for this pie, because we are using a store-bought graham cracker crust that makes this so easy. All that's left to do is pop it in the oven and then let it cool down to room temperature before you slice it. And of course, no slice of pumpkin pie is complete without a big scoop of fresh whipped cream. It makes the whole thing come together so well. I'm gonna be making this all fall and definitely making a couple of them for Thanksgiving because it's that easy. There's no rolling out a pie dough, no worrying about your pie crust being soggy, and actually the graham cracker crust adds a lot of flavor, so it's really perfect. It's the best of both worlds. Head to ShanaeToday.com for the full recipe. Enjoy!